slide preparation, calibration, and also size measurement. They have different methods to sample phytoplankton. For instance, plankton net, water sampler, and flow cytometry analysis. Plankton net is the common method used with different mesh sizes depending on the study objective. In this practical, we will use guitar net to sample phytoplankton with mesh size of 60 micrometer. To start using plankton net, align the net properly before taking sample. Remember to record the location and time of the sampling station. Plankton net can be used for both vertical and horizontal sampling. For vertical sampling, it is important to note the actual depth and determine the depth to which the plankton net is going to float. Normally, the determined depth is about 5 to 10 meters above the sea bottom. Please ensure that the cord end is completely closed. Once ready, deploy the net slowly until it reaches the determined depth. Clinometer is used to get the actual depth of net towed, depending on the current movement, by measuring the slope and the table conversion. Retrieve the net and rinse with seawater for several times before collecting the sample into the water sample by turning the valve on. Remember to preserve the sample for later observation. For identification, it is important to know how to measure the actual size of the sample. This is measured by using an ocular micrometer and a standard ruler called stage micrometer. An ocular micrometer is a small glass disc with uniformly spaced line edge at unknown intervals. An ocular micrometer is inserted in an ocular and the distance between its lines is calibrated against the standard ruler called stage micrometer. A stage micrometer is a glass slide having a uniformly spaced line edge at known interval. Rotate the ocular until the line of the ocular micrometer parallel those of the stage micrometer. Align line at the left edge of the 2 micrometer by moving the stage micrometer. Count how many spaces on the stage micrometer fit precisely in a given number of spaces on the ocular micrometer. It is given in the stage micrometer that 1 micrometer stage space equal to 0.01 millimeter. Thus, from the equation, you can get the distance in millimeter between lines of the ocular micrometer. So, this is an example for 4 times objective lens, 10 times objective lens, and 40 times objective lens. You can calculate the actual ocular stage space by using that formula. So after calibration, we will take a sample from a filtered sample and prepare the wet sample and analyze them by measuring the size and also for identification. First, take a drop of sample and then place the cover slip. And make sure they have no bubble. So now we can measure and identify them under the microscope. Now
This is how one filtered seawater is observed under light compare microscope using 10 times magnifying power objective. They have variety of phytoplankton including zooplankton, you can observe here. And look, if we change to 40 times higher power objective, we can clearly see the cell itself. So this is phytoplankton with ocular space micrometer. So by right, after calibration, you are able to measure the size, its longest dimensions by looking at the ocular space. So if let's say using 40 times objective lens, one ocular space equal to B micrometer or millimeter. So from here to here, count how many the space covered and multiply with B. So you will get the actual size of the cell itself.
Right, so that's all for today. You will be given handouts to answer all the questions related to the lecture given today. Alright, so that's all. Thank you very much. See you on the next slide.